Hello and welcome to another mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for Repairs. My name's Michael and today we're going to look at the problems that people encounter when they are trying to replace the parts that go down the side of their doors on the latch plate. The latch plate, or keep, is the piece that runs all the way down the door frame. Now, some people are encountering problems, and those problems are, because it's a full length keep, sometimes these latch points here or there will be damaged and they can't replace them. So we've come up with a system whereby you can introduce other parts and not have to replace the whole length. So what we've done is we've taken off the full length of the keep and placed it down on the floor. Here are some other parts that we sell that you can introduce as replacements. Now we'll start with the center one. What you would do is you would line up the latch plate, and that you can see aligns with the deadbolt. So if you were then to be able to mark it here and here, clearly then if you just simply cut that out with a hacksaw and place that in there and secure it with screws, that has sorted out the central latch plate. And the same then, working backwards, you can see on this one that this has already been broken. So you would unscrew these screws, remove this, but as you are removing it, place this on top, because this has got the section that will allow the roller to enter. If you place it over the top of here in line and then simply draw around it, now you can cut this section out, remove this, introduce this either there or alternatively inverted here to be able to then secure it to your frame, and that's sorted that problem out. And finally, down to here, we've got this part which would simply go on here, mark it, cut it, and fit that. And you've overcome each one of these problems, but still retained the main length of material. And the reason for that is, if you were to take this off and try to do them as individuals, you're going to be left with ugly holes where the screws were fitted, and therefore it's not going to look as neat. This method allows you to swap things over, use the same holes to secure the plate, and everything looks nice and neat. We really hope that that helps in sorting out some of the problems that are encountered with door keeps, and thanks again for watching Upvc Spares for Repairs.